Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to CAT S75. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Firstly, select I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, tap on OK. Finally, you can tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and Receive next to Send at the bottom of CAT. Also on CAT S75, pick one of those options for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Xiaomi Device. You can select all of those categories located at the top and in them pick files that you wish to transfer. If you wish to, you can do it like that by tapping on those dots at the top left corners, or just click on a couple of your files. In my case, this one picture. Wherever you do, when you finish, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom of Xiaomi. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you wish to connect using this QR code, select scanning icon above user guide on CAT device. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key by clicking on Input Key section, typing in all of those numbers in this amount of time. So we have a lot of it. Make sure that everything is right and then choose Receive in order to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!